Hi everybody, I'm Kirsty Meakin from Neo Nails. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a cool tool called the Smile Line tool. So for you that need help with the smile lines, this is for you. So we have this tool, Easy French Smile Line tool. It looks like a throwing star.
Ninja you.
So what it does, it cuts a smile line out for you. Oh my God, how amazing is that? But we're going to use it in a slightly different way.
Because you would never use anything how it's supposed to be used, would you? I'm going to show you this, but I'm not going to show you how to use it. I'm going to show you how to use it how I would use it.
Yeah.
Right.
We're going to do a pattern. We're going to do a nice pattern with it. Maybe I will do a video that shows you actually how to use it for what it's actually for. But today, for this video anyway, I'm going to show you how to use it for something cool. Far more cool than just a smile line. So you can see my pretty colours that I picked out. Actually, I might change this pink. Yeah.
A bit more pastel-y.
Yeah. So we have Magic Wand, Metallic Orange, Soft Pastel Lemon, Soft Pastel Green, Metallic Blue, and Fairy Godmother. Beautiful colours. I'm going to open them out. You don't have to open them all out at the same time. I just like to make a mess. I don't know why, because I have to clean it up. I want you to see the pretty, pretty colours. Wouldn't life be boring without colour? Very boring. It'd be boring without colour. I'm going to use High Speed Liquid. And what I'm going to do is going to use all these colours and we're going to go down in a pastel rainbow and create a beautiful rainbow nail. So let me show you how you size up the nail. So what we've got here, we've got a number 8, 7, I want you to size up how wide the nail is all the way down. When the nail starts to narrow, so when we get to about here, we'll change the size. And then again, change the size. Further down the nail, you're gonna use an even smaller size. So we're going to start with an 8. I'm just going to buff this nail just so I can draw on it with a pencil. Because I've got 6 colours, I need to work out 6 areas here. So we split it in the middle, roughly. So I now know that when I get my number 8, I'm going to cut about there. And then another 8 there. And we'll go to a 7. Then we'll go to a 6. And we'll go to a 4. Yeah, I think that'll work fine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sections. So it's all, you need to map it out, you need to plan. First colour, I've got to use the pink. I need more than that. More. There. Much better. Now, don't worry about doing this smile line yourself now. You're going to pop it on. You want to make sure it's thick enough to cut into. So if you're doing this on a real person, you would keep this area here nice and neat around the cuticle. You want it to have even distribution. You want to come slightly over that line. And I need this to set a little bit. So when it starts to lose its shine, that's when we will cut into it. So it's losing its shine. I'm going to get a tool and press in and pull away. Like that. Just going to check. Make sure I get right up those sides. So that's the first colour done. Let's go with the orange. You want to butt it right up. Make sure you butt that bead right up to the pink. So again, we're going to wait till that shine starts to go. If you try to cut into it when it's too wet, it will just smear. So as you cut in and pull, you won't get that crisp edge. It'll just want to come down with the tool. You don't want that. The line was about here. I'm going to cut in. Pull down. Don't quite get it all. Scrape again. Make sure you've got those sides. And what you can do is use that middle part of the tool to scrape off anything that wants to stick. I mean, obviously this is a plastic nail, so it'll want to stick to that a little bit more. I love this yellow. Yellow's really big at the minute. It's really popular colour.
Oh, that looks like a sherbet lemon.
Oh, I love a sherbet lemon, I do. Like I say, it doesn't matter about putting too much on. You kind of want to put too much on, so you've got something to press into. So you can see how thick it is. That's what you want it to be like. So you've got a nice chunk to cut into. And you're going to take your tool. Press and drag. Like I say, use the middle section if you want to drag anything that won't come off. It's been a stubborn little so-and-so. Just use it like a blade. Now we've got the pastel green. Soft pastel green. Nice big bead. Don't be scared of putting a nice big bead on. You want to make sure you go right up to the sides. And we're going to cut into this with a 7. Ooh, no, we're not. We're going to use an 8. Too short. No, definitely need a 7 for this now. Yeah, I'm going to put lilac on and I'm going to put this bit of pink on there. Only because I've got a little bit short. So even putting those markings on there clearly didn't help me.
So you've got to follow your own instructions?
No. Look at the nice big huge pot of vivid violet. Because I love it that much. Now we're talking. Make sure on that last one you put right up to that colour, so you're putting right up to that lavender colour, which is Fairy Godmother. So whatever colours you choose, this is the one that you need to be a little bit more perfect with, because you want to make the tip really neat. It looks like a antelope. It looks like a brightly coloured antelope going on his way to Pride.
An antelope? Why an antelope?
They've got like a shell, haven't they?
Oh, have they? I didn't know.
An aardvark. Antelope? Aardvark?
I don't know.
That one that's got like a shell of armour.
Armadillo.
Armadillo.
An antelope's like a deer.
Of course it is. I don't know what to do.
Because they do actually have horns, antelope,
Yes,
and
they
they
have
are
horns.
sort of ringed.
Yeah.
A little
However,
bit.
that's not what I meant.
No.
I meant, what did I mean?
Armadillo.
Armadillo or
Yeah.
aardvark?
Well, I don't know.
You don't know yourself now, do you?
Well, armadillo has a similar kind of structure to its shell, I
Well,
think.
whatever it is, it's that thing that looks like it's got like a suit of armour. So what I'm going to do is wait till that sets up and then I'm going to file it. So that's it filed and buffed. I'm going to wipe over with pure acetone. Now you'll notice I haven't capped this nail. I haven't needed to cap it. Now, if you do this design and you think, oh, I need an apex there, then feel free to cap the design to build your apex. So I'm going to top coat now with the Urban Graffiti top coat. This bottle's been round the block and back again, I think. So this could be an accent nail. What you could do with the other ones is just use the colours, like your favourite colours from this gorgeous rainbow. I'm going to pop that into the lamp. I love this nail. So you can see how crisp the lines are. The tool really gives you a nice crisp line. Well, curve, not line. You know what I mean.
Oh, reflection.
Oh, that's
you
me.
can see my hand.
Oh yeah, you can see Adam waving. Oh, say hi, Adam.
Hello.
So there you go, everybody. That is how to create a rainbow style nail using the easy French Smile line cutting tool. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check us out on Facebook and Instagram. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video. Love you, bye bye.
Look.
Wish me luck as you wave.